Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the Bluetooth icon on your menu bar on top of your Mac operating system. So right now you can see I don't have any Bluetooth icon in the menu bar, but I want to see this Bluetooth icon in the menu bar, how I can enable it. Let's see. So for that you need to click on the system settings icon on your dock, or if you don't see the system settings icon here, just go to the Apple logo and then select system settings option here. And then on the left hand side, you will see this kind of menu here, right? So in this menu, you need to select control center, and then you will be able to see all the options here, right? So in the control center, what you need to do is in front of Bluetooth, by default, it's don't show in the menu bar. So you just need to click on this drop down menu and then select show in menu bar. And then your Bluetooth icon is available here. You can see this Bluetooth icon is now visible. And then I can just go to the Bluetooth settings from here and enable or disable Bluetooth from this menu bar itself. So this is how you can view or enable the Bluetooth icon on your menu bar. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.